you are there for?
Why I'm here?
Yeah.
I'm here to try and find a duck that's lost.
Oh,
It's an American duck.
okay.
It's been here for a few days and it comes in the evening and I'm trying to find it now and look for it now over there. So
When you see inside, what do you watch?
I'm watching the ducks at the moment.
Inside you can see.
No, over there.
Okay.
Let me show you. My phone on there.
इसके साथ हम मोबाइल को वो करके देख सकते हैं कि क्या कैमरा कैसे दिखाएगा.
Then you can see
ये एक अमेरिकन डक है जो लॉस हो गई है, तो इसको फाइंड कर रहे हैं.
I'm looking for it. But can you see the magnification that I'm getting to see across the other side?
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
These little blue flowers are really quite easy.
Very
Really quite easy to see.
Okay.
But you can see them over there.
Yeah.
Just. But that's the magnification is really
How long magnification is? Like 100x or
No, about 60.
600x?
About 60.
How much it is? This lens magnification is roundabout.
The telescope
Yeah.
is about 2,500. And this is just an iPhone. With
Can we see the sky?
with a special adapter.
Can we see the sky from it? Like.
Yeah, I could look at the moon or the stars and all sorts of things at night if you want to, but I'm a bird watcher. I'm retired, but I do volunteer work for the RSPB,
Thank you. Very good.
the Royal Society for Protection of Birds.
Okay. Thank you for
Thank
your
you
time.
very much,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you.
Thank